Do you want your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra keyboard to automatically complete and correct words as you type? Let's turn on auto replace so it replaces words automatically using suggestion. Here's how to set it up with English as the example. To do so, open any app where you can type, like when you are writing a note in Samsung Note. Tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Make sure Predictive text is on. Next, tap auto replace. And then turn on the switch next to English. Now, let's try this feature. Go back to your note. Then type something. As you can see, when you type something, you will see some suggestion appear above the keyboard and one of them is highlighted. When you tap the spacebar or a punctuation, your phone will automatically change the word you type with the highlighted word. This feature is great for smoother and faster typing, especially when you type quickly or often make short word form. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.